Mainit-init na chismis. Donnie Pangilinan is proof that good boyfriend is still exists. Totoo nga, yung sabi niya dati sa isang panayama ng isang marites, I don't like working weekends. That basically what it is. My time is for myself and my girlfriend and my family. Kasi naman ang chika, may paghatid kasi itong si Master. Hinatid sa ABS-CBN building ang jowa niya. May ASAP live kasi itong Gen Z superstar. At ayan pa sa matinik talaga na marites ay susunduin pa raw ni Master ang ganyang nobya mamaya.